You've been through a lot. I just saw the Empress energy, but it looks like you're fine now. You're doing all right. You're okay. That's great. Oh, we have here Knight of Swords. Look at that. This person here, there's an energy of someone who wants to literally chase after you. But let's see. Eh, pero may feeling na ito ang ex mo. Walang duda, no? So, this person here, pwedeng meron siyang sariling sasakyan. Could be a motorcycle or a bike, no? Or car, okay? Pero yun ay for few of them lamang, not all of them. But the high message that we're getting from that Knight of Swords energy is the energy here of someone who wants to run after you. Alam mo yung energy ng literal na hinahabol mo yung hininga mo kasi tumatakbo ka, kasi may hinahabol ka, that kind of feeling. And you want to give all of your energy, no, to run fast, no, para maabutan mo isang person. So, that's what I'm getting coming from this person's energy. Oh. So, even though this person here, no, is out of breath, okay, this person here will come after you. That's pretty heavy, huh? So let us see what is this all about. Okay, let's keep moving. Mm-hmm. Yun lang. Pero may mga tao talagang ganito, no? Ano ba yun, Miss? Wala ka pa nga sinasabi. Wala lang, nag-react lang ako mga babes. Mamaya sabihin ko sa inyo, no, kung bakit. Dito na magsisimula yung problem. I'm seeing a lot of twos, but twos right here na is something na hesitation, doubt. Bottom of the deck, Two of Swords, Nine of Swords, Judgment, and I'm getting the permission to see what comes next. Okay. Sakto. Tugma. Ace of Swords, Judgment energy. Okay. Kasya ba sa ating screen? Let me see. Nag-reflect. Let's move it here. And I'm gonna put it here. Nag-reflect. Hanapan natin ang pwesto, mga mahal. Dito na lang. Wow, pinag-isipan mo talaga, miss yan. So, hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers. Returning Eastern buyers, thank you sa inyong walang sawang love at support for me. At kung di nyo pa alam, meron pa tayo na other channel link down below sa description box ng reading na ito. Kaya kung interesado, i-click lamang yung link na yan para mapunta kayo doon at araw-araw nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs there. At yun nga ulit ang gender dito mga babes, babae, lalaki, LGBT. Lahat ay welcome. Pwede rin pong i-switch yung mga roles dahil possible magkapalit-palit yan. Kasi general reading ito. And at the end of the day, lahat po ay may free will. If you want to claim the messages at gawing guidance or not, it's up to you. And yes, timeless tayo dito. Pwedeng tapos na, nangyari na. Sa iba, nangyayari na ngayon sa kasalukuyang moment. At sa iba ay mangyayari pa lamang. Kaya naman, just take only what resonates. Okay? So here, yes, like what I mentioned earlier, no, nangyayari talaga ito, no, pero iba-iba ang mga tao. Ba't ano ba yan, Miss Yan? There's someone here who happens to be your ex-lover, no, well, hindi na nakakapagtaka, we are in a Mercury retrograde phase, so talagang meron talagang mga ex na magkakaganito. Okay, I just heard the word Luna, no? So, Luna means moon, no? And yeah, okay, there's this heavy, very high frequency energy coming from the moon, especially from the pace of Mercury retrograde. So someone here is definitely deeply affected at ito ay walang iba kundi ang ex mo. No? So nakikita ko dito with the Eight of Swords and there's this Two of Coins energy, Seven of Swords, Seven of Wands to the Nine of Wands energy. Ibig sabihin nito, kung sino man tong energy na to, kaya niyang i-handle ang kanyang own feelings, kaya niya, yeah, I just heard tiis, kaya niyang magtiis, kaya niya i-keep sa kanyang self, no? Okay, kung nami-miss ka niya, kaya niya yon, no, na itago sa kanyang self, no? At kung siya ito no, na kaya niyang magpanggap in front of himself or herself, look at the mirror, okay? Kung kaya niyang magpanggap rito, no, yes, sa sarili niya, kaya niyang magpanggap na hindi kanya nami-miss, na hindi kanya kailangan, na hindi kanya hinahanap-hanap, no? Okay, kaya niyang i-handle ang kanyang sariling emotions and feelings, no? Pero eto yung hindi niya nakikitang paparating. I do see mga babes 'no, na makikita ka niya sa isang feels like random place 'no, or isang klase ng parang nagkataon lang 'no. Para sa kanya yun kasi yung view niya, yun kasi yung nasa thoughts niya na nagkataon lang but walang nagkataon lalo na kung nasa Mercury retrograde phase ka. Kaya talagang nakatakda na makita ka niya. And that is when this ex of yours will realize, no, that it's hard, okay, na itago ang kanya ritong pangungulila sa'yo. Ang hirap pala tiisin, no, kapag kaharap ka niya, no, kaya niya itago sa self niya na hurt siya because you're not sa kanyang side, no? Because you're not anymore together, no? Kaya niyang itago lahat ng yun. Pero iba pala kapag ka nakita ka na niya. Iba pala kapag ka nasa harapan ka niya, no? Ang hirap palang itago nito. Yan, 'di ba? So may mga tao no na baliktad, 'di ba? Yung iba kayang itago yung feelings nila sa harapan ng taong gusto nila or sa harapan ng tao rito no na involved sa kanilang emotions, no? Pero siya, kaya niya ritong magsinungaling with the Seven of Swords energy, no? Sa kanyang sarili, kaya niyang itim ang kanyang sariling bear, no? Ano mang bear yan, polar bear man yan, no? Or ano, si Lotso na cute na teddy bear, no? Pero, okay, etong person na to, hindi niya pala kaya to control his or her emotions and feelings in front of the concerned person. At ang person na yun ay walang iba kundi ikaw. So, ang pagkikitang ito ay mangyayari at ito rin ay hindi mo nalalaman. Ang taong ito, wala kayong contact ngayon. You are separated, no? But this person here is parang lintang nakakapit sa energy mo. This person thinks about you all the time. Okay? This person here, you are stuck into his or her mind, Eight of Swords energy. That's why this person here is definitely, no, parang nasanay siya. Kasi matagal kayo rito, no? Nakita ko matagal kayo rito, no, na hindi nag-uusap. There's block in communication. Both of you could had blocked each other or maybe this person here blocked you first and then you happen to block him na rin or block her na rin, no? Sa mga social media platforms mo, sa yung SIM card numbers, no? Or whatever, kahit nasa telepono ninyo sa house, okay? So whoever this energy is, I do feel like that this person here is highly affected sa yung memories. Yes, there's a big part of your memories together that this person here cannot really escape. Because sabi ko nga sa inyo, during the Mercury retrograde phase, okay, all of the memories from the past, all of the moments you've shared, no, from the people sa mga past mo, no, they will all come back, no, through memories. So, nakikita natin dito kapag ka, di ba, nag-resurface ang mga memories, iba-iba at samot-saring mga emosyon ang mararamdaman. May mga nakakatawa, di ba? But talking about Mercury retrograde, those memories are very impactful. Definitely. Ibig sabihin nun, no, talagang ito yung mga memories na talagang tatama sa emosyon mo, no? Iiyak talaga, no, at masasaktan. So definitely, pagka-miss ang 102% na mararamdaman niya kapag ka nagre-resurface ang inyong mga memories sa kanyang thoughts, no? And this person here, yes, kaya niyang i-handle yon, kaya niyang ikalma yung sarili niya, kaya niya rito na parang itim, no? Or parang aluin ang kanyang sarili na it's okay, wala na si collective, don't feel really hurt, namimiss mo lang siya ngayon kasi baka naalala mo lang siya bigla or whatsoever, it's okay yan. Kinakalma niya yung sarili niya with the Seven of Wands energy, no? Trying to maintain his or her boundaries, no? From you, no? Pero iba pala, kasi dito makikita ka niya, wala siyang magagawa. One of these days, this person here, makikita ka niya, no? Hindi pa tapos ang Mercury retrograde phase. But kailan ba yun, Miss Yan? Nag-start yung ating Mercury retrograde phase, November 9, at ito ay mag-e-end November 29. But because iba-iba, no? Iba-iba yung ating mga viewers, no? Kung nasan kayong parts ng world, alam niyo naman na ang pag-ikot ng araw, no? At ang gabi ay posibleng iba. So, okay? Yun yung ating dates, okay? So, see, ano pa lang, 'di ba? May remaining days pa, 'di ba? So, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, this person here, from the looks of it, no, bago matapos ang Mercury retrograde phase, nakita natin na itong tao na 'to, no, is someone here na makikita ka niya, no? Okay, yung iba, yes, makikita niyo din siya, okay? At yung iba, mga babes, no, siya yung makakakita sa inyo. Okay, ganito kasi nakukuha ko rito, paano ko ba explain, no? May mga energies na 'pag nakita niya kayo, hindi niyo siya makikita. Okay, dun sa first encounter na yon, okay? Hindi niyo siya makikita. Pero meron ding mga energies na makikita niyo siya, okay? Na makikita niya rin kayo. Parehas kayo rito magkakaroon ng eye contact, parehas kayo rito, no, na magkakaroon rito, no, ng parang energy. Okay na this person is familiar sa akin because this is the person, no, na minsan na naging karelasyon ko. So, may ganong klase ng energy. There's this familiarity, no? Okay, but definitely, there's this very uncomfortable feeling for your person here, no? Kasi parang kahit na gustuhin niyang dedmahin, na nakita niya kayo, hindi niya yan magagawang madedma lamang. Five of Coins energy, Knight of Swords right in here. Okay? May mga senaryo, lalo na yung hindi niyo siya makikita pero nakita niya kayo, it will not end there. This person here will definitely, no, chase after you, pwedeng day after, pero pwede rin naman, no, na literal na dun mismo sa araw na yon, okay, lapitan ka talaga niya. Five of Coins to the Knight of Swords energy. See, this person here can control. Kaya niyang kontrolin yung sarili niyang emotions and feelings, no, para hindi ka rito maisip or whatsoever. Pero iba yung bigat ng force, no, na naghahatak sa kanya sa'yo, no, nung nakita ka niya. Iba pala yung feeling, no, nung nakita ka niya, no, parang gusto niya rito, no, na sumigaw, nasasaktan siya with the Three of Swords energy. This person here hindi na makakapag-isip ng maayos. This person here will run to you, will chase after you, susundan ka niya, hahabulin ka niya, no. Okay, it's like this person here, no, will tell you na, "Cham siya man," yan, no, or "Wait," yan, no. So, I do pick up that whoever this energy is, no, this is something here, no, na parang siya, okay, nasanay siya na kaya niyang kontrolin yung emotions and feelings niya, no, for so many months, no, or for so many years, no, pero sa isang araw lang na nakita ka niya, girl, or boy, no? Nagsimula ng maging magulo ang lahat, no? So, hindi niya pala kayang itago, no? Yung kanya ritong tunay na nararamdaman kapag kaharap ka na niya mismo. Iba yung dating. Oo naman, no? Iba talaga yung dating. Di ba nga yung iba, minsan, di ba pag example lang to, di ba minsan kapag kinikwento ng isang person yung taong nagugustuhan niya, mga babes na parang wala dun yung person na nagugustuhan na, pero 'pag kinikwento niya sa friends niya, "Alam mo ba friend, yung person na yun, naku, sa totoo lang talaga, ayan 'no, ang dami-daming nasasabi 'no, na magaganda dun sa person na yun. Pero 'pag andiyan na yung person na yun na tameme, tulalay na lang 'no, hindi masyado makabuelo." So, parang ganun din yun. So, with the Two of Swords energy, Nine of Swords, and there's this judgment na definitely nakikita ko rito a day after kanyang makita or mismong yung araw na yon, this person here will make that big decision to stop this controlling ng emotions and feelings na yan, no, na hindi ko niya kailangan or whatsoever. I'm gonna end this. I'm not gonna lie with myself. Okay, magpapakatotoo na ako kay collective. Ace of Swords energy, kaya tayo nakakuha ng permission to open this. It is because the Ace of Swords is a big conversation. Ibig sabihin, this person here, no, kakausapin niya kayo rito, no, at nakikita ko rito na itong person na to ay gagawa rito ng isang malaking desisyon, no, na tapusin ang katahimikan, ano, at to finally open up everything, no, sa'yo. Pero syempre, nasa inyo yan, mga mahal, no, because you are appearing here as the Queen of Pentacles energy. You're okay, you're fine, you're doing great, no? You're humble, you're staying grounded, no? And I do pick up that this is you. You could be experiencing some kind of opportunities in your life, no? Na parang pumapabor sa mga gusto mong mangyari. So it looks like step by step na I'm seeing a stairs or a ladder. It looks like, no, na-achieve mo dito paunti-unti, like baby steps, or you are in a process of achieving something and it looks like the universe ay helping you. Your angel guardians, no, ay helping you to achieve this. Yeah. Okay? So, for the initials right in here, unang-una na letter T, we also have M, O, R, A, C, U, F, G, J, B as in boy. And last but not the least, we've got D. So yeah, these are all the messages you've got right here for you, honey. Again, I'm your Yana Oni. Sarang Heya, love and light. Annyeong.